Now, we all know chocolate tastes delicious as is, but there are some really interesting flavour combinations that take chocolate to the next level.
Absolutely. Fruit and chocolate we know works really well together. And you've probably seen there's been this trend going around of grating frozen tomatoes on the burrata, so it almost turns into a sorbet. I thought there must be a chocolate way of doing this.
Yeah.
So I got some 70% excellence. I just warmed it slightly, so we have this starting to melt, but then mango and chocolate is absolutely brilliant. So frozen mango,
Right.
and I microplaned this straight onto one. So this will be quick. We'll just sort of get like little strands of frozen fruit.
So I know this is also about texture because you've got hot chocolate that's oozy and warm, and then really cold mango. But not just that, I don't regularly have mango and chocolate together.
It's actually that beautiful tropical fruit with that sort of bitterness of chocolate. So you get that contrast of ice cold fruit, slightly warm chocolate.
It really wakes up the taste buds, doesn't it?
So one of those things, you have your friends over and say, hey, I got a really good new way of enjoying your chocolate.
And you're not wrong. If you didn't want a full dessert, just doing a simple thing like this, which is warming up chocolate and putting frozen mango on it, is just so interesting.
Palate cleanser before dessert.
I could have 2 of those. They are that good, or maybe 3.
Excellent. Keep writing.